the damn blow dryer. You're gonna pee on yourself.
Oh.
Amy, how many Jaegers did you have?
Oh my God, man, it has, I don't know.
This was after we got here, right? Because you were fine in the limo.
Before you got here?
Before I got here?
Daniel did it.
This is Amy blow drying her crotch. Amy, you got... Oh my God.
How can you be here?
Amy!
Wait, nobody's coming.
Is the door not locked? Yeah. So putting this on YouTube.
You are so not.
Okay, I won't. Are you almost?
What happens when you have too many kids?
You only have two. Amy, you're not even holding it right. You put it right there.
You could have some more Jaegers. I only have 4.
How many did you have? Is that a gang sign? Don't do that, Amy. Hey, where's your glow ring?
I lost it. I lost it. I lost it. Oh, don't sound good, girls.
Oh.
Doing.
I'm sorry, Amy.
Come on, let's go.
Oh my dog!
What's my dog do now?
Your dog has been out, Amy.
Let's go.